Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 5 of mensuration lesson. Now coming to the 7th question. How many planks, each of which is 2 meter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 4 centimeter thick, can be cut off from a wooden block 6 meter long, 15 centimeter broad and 40 centimeter thick. Now there is a plank, wooden plank and the wooden block. So बड़ा wooden block है, उसमें से कितने wooden planks को कट कर सकते हैं? तो number of pieces, number of cubes, number of cuboids, उसके लिए हम क्या किए? पहले भी एक एग्जाम्पल में भी था, एक सम भी था यही वर्कशीट में. सो दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ पीसेस. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं? द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बिगर cuboid or cube upon the number of the volume of the smaller box. ऐसे किए थे, है ना? तो इधर भी वही क्या करने का है? वुडन ब्लॉक इज ऑल्सो क्यूबॉइड इन शेप, वुडन प्लैंक इज ऑल्सो क्यूबॉइड इन शेप. First I have written wooden block because that is the bigger one. Wooden plank is the smaller one. How many wooden planks can be cut off from the wooden block? So write the length wooden block. इधर ये वाला है ना. So wooden block is L is equal to 6 meter. अभी ये सब सेंटीमीटर में दिया है, सिर्फ लेंथ मीटर में दिया है. सो कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर. सो इट विल बी 600 सेंटीमीटर. B is equal to 15 centimeter and H is equal to 40 centimeter. Now wooden plank, इसका लेंथ कितना दिया है? L is equal to 2 meter, that is 200 centimeter. Breadth is 2.5 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. Now, as we have discussed earlier, number of planks cut off from the wooden block is equal to volume of wooden block, बड़ा वाला है ना, wooden block upon volume of wooden plank. Volume of the bigger one upon volume of the smaller one. So both are cuboid. So length into breadth into height upon length into breadth into height. Right, length 600, 15, 40 upon 200, 2.5 into 4. So now here the decimal is there, immediately remove that decimal. So it will be 600 into 15 into 40 into 10 upon 200 into 25. 2.5 becomes 25 into 4. ये 10 नहीं लिखने का क्योंकि डेसिमल के लिए. Now 2 0 2 0 cut. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Now it is 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 15. Now 5 1s are 5 8s are 4 1s are 4 2s are, तो कितना आया 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 10s are 180. So you got how many? 180 planks. Answer: how many planks? 180 planks can be cut off from the given wooden block. Is it clear? So how many pieces could be cut? That means the volume of the bigger one upon the volume of the smaller one. And put the formula. If it is a cuboid, LBH. If it is a cube, the L cube. Now coming to the 8th sum. 3 solid cubes, metal cubes with edges 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted together. 3 metal cubes है, उनके साइड्स या एजेस दिया है तो उनको मेल्ट किया गया है और उसमें से एक सिंगल क्यूब बनाए एंड फॉर्म्ड इनटू अ सिंगल क्यूब. नाउ फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द न्यू क्यूब. छोटे छोटे क्यूब के एज दिया है तो वो सब का वॉल्यूम को ऐड करोगे तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द न्यू क्यूब आएगा. हाँ है ना? So small 3 cubes are there. They are melted. The metal is melted and the new cube is made. So that is the volume of the new cube. So solution. So first cube, edge is what? Is equal to 6 cm. Second cube, edge is 8 cm and third cube is equal to edge is equal to 10 cm. Now the formula is a volume of the cube. Volume of a new cube is equal to volume of first cube plus second cube plus third cube. लेकिन फॉर्मूला क्या है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब is equal to edge the whole cube, isn't it? L cube. That you write in the corner. Now first cube, edge cube, that is 6 cube plus second is 8 cube, third is 10 cube. Now 6 cube, what is the value? 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. 8 cube, 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are 512. 10 cube, 10 to the power 3 means 3 zeros, that is 1000. Now you add 6 2 0, 8 1 1 0, 2 2 5 0, 7 and 1. You got 1728 centimeter cube. Answer: the volume of the new cube is 1728 centimeter cube. Understood? 3 छोटे छोटे क्यूब को मेल्ट करके एक बड़ा क्यूब बनाए। तो इसके लिए मेल्ट करके नया बनाए, मतलब द वॉल्यूम फुल क्यूब इज इंक्लूडेड, सो दैट मीन्स वॉल्यूम। सो तीनों को ऐड करो, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बिगर वन you will get. That was question number 8. Now coming to the question number 9. The volume of the cube whose surface area is 150 meter square. अभी आप लोगों को इधर वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं and the TSA is given. What is given? It is the TSA is given. What is it? Volume of the cube whose surface area is. Surface area. So it is cube. Surface area is we'll write TSA is given as 150 meter square. Find the volume. Volume is equal to how much? Okay, now first to find the volume, what we need? The side. Side we have to find out. So TSA formula क्या है? The total surface area. TSA means total surface area of cube. Formula is remember 6L square. So TSA is given as 150, that is 6L square. So L squared is equal to 150 upon 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 13, 14, 15, 3 remains, that means 25. So you got L squared is equal to 25. So L is equal to square root of 25. How much you got? 5 meter. Isn't it? So you got the side or the edge is equal to 5 meter. Now find out the volume. So volume of the cube. What is the formula? L cube. That is 5 cube. 5 cube is 125 meter cube. So answer, volume of the given cube is 125 meter cube. In the earlier one sum, the volume was given, TSA we had to find out. But here TSA is given, volume we have to find out. So for that, first you put the formula and find out the side. Now coming to the last sum, the volume of the cube, one face of which has the area of 81 meters square. We have to find out the volume. Okay, first solution, the shape is the solid is a cube. Now what is given? Area of one face. So area of one face of the cube. What is the face of the cube? What shape it is? It is a square. That is given as 81 meter square. Abhi area of the square, you got area of square is equal to 81 meter square. तो साइड कितना आएगा? फॉर्मूला क्या है? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू साइड square. So 80, sorry, it is 81. I have written 18. Sorry. So it is 81 meter square. So 81 is equal to side square So side will be how much? Square root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9. You got 9 meter. Hope you understood. Here they have not given the TSA and all. They have told the area of one face of the square. So of the cube. So first you think, what is the shape of the face of the cube? It is square. So that means area of the square is given. You find out the side. Now find the volume. Side मिलेगा तो हो गया काम. Volume of the cube. What is the formula? Side cube. It is 9 cube. 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 729 meter cube. Hope it is easy. Answer: volume of the given cube is 729 meter cube. Only some tricky questions, isn't it? Here they have given TSA, asked you to find out the volume. Here they gave the area of one face of the cube. That you have to think, which shape is it? Square. Then find out side and find out volume. That's all. So we have completed this worksheet 5, that is volume of the cube and the cuboid. Volume of the cube is L cube, that is side cube. Volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Hope you are confident with this worksheet. But you have to write the revision. One time you write, and then again without seeing you write the revision, so that you are confident with all the sums. Bye. Thank you. All the best.